how to fix Valorant connection error code 81. And if you want to fix it, it's easy. First, all you need to do is just type here services and now scroll down until you find VGC. Right click on VGC and go to properties, make it automatic, apply and OK. Now close this window, go to device manager. After that, go to display adapters, right click on those drivers here and update all of those drivers, and then go to network adapters and also update all those drivers and processors. And now after that, it's easy, just right click here, go to task manager. Maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, just click more details and then scroll down, scroll until you find Vanguard user mode and end task, and then restart your PC. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.